Ah, welcome to Waddy Bra. Well, I think I'm in the need for a microphone stand. Yeah. But all I've got is this block of wood. What will I do? Oh, okay, let's see. So I start with the block of wood and I contemplate, what will I do? I found a whole saw bit of the right size. I think I know what I might be doing. Let's drill a hole, a big hole, in the block of wood. So I'm using a pillar drill and a hole saw bit. Now if I had a Forstner bit that was big enough, I'd just use that. But I haven't. It's 3 inches or 75 millimeters in diameter is that microphone. And that is a Samson G Track Pro. That's an old model from 2019. So there I go, drilling into the end grain of the block of wood. And we used a bit of wax, like candle wax. Oh, and then he missed. And the candle wax, well, it lubricates the hole saw and stops it getting too hot. Oh, okay. Oh, this is going to take forever. Oh, I think I might know a better way. I know. Let's use a big Forstner bit to remove the excess material that's created by the hole saw. Oh, okay. So there we go, we drill away into that block of wood. Oh, look at that. Can't be bad. Oh, now I'm going to change the Forstner bit for a smaller one. It's 20 million now. I wonder what I'm going to do with that. Oh, I know. I'm going to drill another hole. And that is where the knobs are on the microphone. Otherwise we won't be able to alter the volume. No. Sometimes I'm too loud. Nah, never. So the next hole is on the opposite side. But we've got to work out how deep it needs to go. So I'm using the vernier gauge. So there we go, we're drilling away into the side of the block of wood near the bottom. Because that's going to be used for the cable. So there we are, we have our block of wood, which happens to have a hole in it where the cable's going to go. Oh, clever, eh? So now we use the back saw and we take out the excess and we've got clearance for all the knobs. But not quite, no. It's a bit tight for the fingers. I wonder what I'll do. But before I do, let's clean out with a chisel. Make sure it's not rough. Ah, that's the plan. We're going to use a big chamfer bit to create a big chamfer. There you go. Oh, gives clearance for the fingers. For my sausage fingers. That's what it'll do. So now it's a case of shaping. A bit like art it is. Oh, here we go. And I'm using a 4.5 inch Bosch narrow-bodied angle grinder with a sanding disc in it. And I will leave a link in the description of that model. Oh, look at that. Oh, still fits. Like a treat, it does. So there we go. We sand away. And isn't it looking tactile, but still a bit lumpy? So we use the router and round off around the exit hole for the cable. And this block of wood was reclaimed from our floor. It was an old oak floor joist before we put the stairs in. Now, as you can see, there's soft material that has to be removed. The layer just below the bark is the cambium layer. And then you have the sapwood. It's not very nice. So we're going to remove it. It's also got some worm damage. So we'll sand that away until none of it is left, and just the hard oak remains. Oh, what's that? It's for flame! Danger! Danger! Oh, sounds like Electric 6. So what we're doing there is we're actually heating up my branding iron, and I use that on the missus so no one will steal her. So we carry on sanding. Gone down the grits now, the finer sanding paper to get it smooth. Oh look, the branding iron it's heating up by the blowtorch. It used to be electric until it broke. Oh, that'll teach me for buying Chinese rubbish. Oh look, there goes. Ah! Oh, ow, ooh, ooh, ah! I need some Germaline. Germaline, please. Where is the Germaline? So I sand it until all the sooty bit goes away. Oh look, that's gonna pop when that's got its wax on it. Yeah. So we carry on sanding now with the DA sander with the finer grits of sandpaper to make it pretty, you know. I'm not too fussed, to be honest. It's only going in my studio. It's going to look pretty cool, really. Just think all that lovely resonance from the sound going through the block of wood. Oh, now we're using some clear varnish as a sealer, so we can sand it with some 1200 wet and dry, and then wax it and make it look even prettier. Oh, just like me. Don't you agree? Leave it in the comments down below. And I put on several coats of that clear varnish, and it dries really quickly. And there's not much left of it, no. I think we're done. I think it's finished. Yay! Oh, let's see what it looks like in the studio. Good morning, Vietnam. Oh, look, I got a mic stand. Oh, okay. Oh, don't forget to boop the like button. Ta-ta!